gonna die.
What were you doing? You're silly. What are you doing? Oh my god. This is my favorite fruit. Girl, you literally...
You always say...
Gosh. Hey. I do apologize if this vlog feels scattered. It's not. It's highly intentional. I'm just taking you behind the scenes of a week in my life as an entrepreneur, princess, soft life aficionado, you know, the whole nine. Hey guys, just checking in. I've literally been in this spot for like the past almost 2 hours. I don't think it's even been 2 hours. I've been in the spot for like about an hour and 15 minutes. Just working. It's so boring, but I just want to show you guys the behind the scenes of my life. A realistic behind the scenes of a spiritual fairy slash entrepreneur. Some weeks it is super ecstatic and there's a lot going on, and then sometimes there's nothing at all. So I'm literally just chilling at home, getting some work done. I'm so happy it's just me at the pool now. I literally am editing my very first video that I'm uploading to Patreon right now. I feel so good about this video, you guys. It's a pretty big deal because I started this Patreon months ago with the intention of sharing it for the longest time, and I finally filmed and now edited a video that is like 100% in alignment with my brand and what I'm sharing with the girlies. I'm super excited. So anyways, I'm finishing that up, and then I'm really gonna just hop in the pool for a little bit and then hop into the jacuzzi. I don't have a ton of time because I'm gonna head back home to my spot. There's a basketball game on. I'm gonna go watch that with Bestie, and I'm making some dark chocolate date bark, and I'm super excited about that. I think I'm gonna film that because I haven't really been vlogging at all. So yeah, that's just what we're doing. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Hello. Guys, at this point I've been living in Phoenix, Arizona for a month with the intention to move to Scottsdale. I had no plan on moving to Arizona this year, but I'm here. And I've decided to land because I am a traveler. I'm a fairy, and I've been pretty much traveling the entire year. I was just in Houston. When I say that this is like some crazy ass matrix, I'm not lying. Let me freaking tell you, this place feels like a movie set. Number one, living here feels like a movie set, living on a movie set. And number two, it feels like a goddamn video game. It does. And people be driving around in go-karts and shit. Like, please excuse my language, but honestly, that is what it's giving out here, and I love it. Don't get me wrong, like, there's a lot of magic in Arizona. It's just so crazy. You know what, I'm gonna keep it a stack. I'm a little bit annoyed because I'm walking right now and I really should be in a car. It's cool though. I'm gonna be in a car later. I'm gonna be in a car later, and it's just one of those things. Like, I saw this TikTok earlier today, I don't know if I saved it, but it was like of this entrepreneur. Her business just did $1 million. But she was like stuck in the hotel lobby because all her cards got maxed out. And it's just like, I don't know. I take those things, these experiences, like, you're going at a certain rate, and universe might want to slow you down a little bit, you know? So yeah, I'm just taking the slowdowns where they come. This probably is not a good place to film, so I'm gonna just dead this. You know what? I wasn't even gonna keep that part that I just filmed in the vlog, but I'm gonna keep it because I'm gonna use this to raise awareness. You guys, I'm walking past a school. This is a school. And the reason why I stopped filming and I put the camera down is because it looks like I'm walking past a freaking jail. Why does the school look like a jail? People really need to talk about this. So I'll be the first. You know what I'm saying? I'll be the first. But guys, don't put your children in educational institutions that look like prisons. Familiarize yourself with what a prison looks like if you don't feel like you would be able to tell, and then make sure not to put your children in that establishment. Because if the institution looks like a jail cell, your child is being programmed for jail. It is quite literally that simple. So yeah. This is what I mean when I say I feel like I live on a movie set, you guys. Like, this is their train system here in like the metro area of Phoenix. And I'm telling you, with my optics, this is giving set vibes. It really is. Like, if you can see, you'll pick up what I'm putting down. Even this little maintenance truck, when it was going down in the opposite direction, I was like, that's what sold it for me. That's really what sold it for me, was seeing that little maintenance truck go down. Because I was like, you know what? This is for real giving movie set vibes. Let me go ahead and capture this on the screen. Okay, this immediately gives dystopian. Let me show you. It's the scanners right here while you wait for the light rail. It's the camera, boom, right there. Paid fear zone, it's the camera, boom, right there. Turn it up a little bit, boom, right there. It goes another camera. And then these wire arms, guys, it's like, I guess people are just gonna be so used to this, but I could never. Why do you need camera here, camera here, camera there, scanning devices everywhere, another scanning device? I'm sorry, but it's just, guys, we should never feel like this is normal. This is a bit excessive. I feel like there are pros and cons to this experience for sure, but I don't feel like this is necessary. Like, more cameras does not mean more safety at all. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep this in the vlog or save this bit for the Patreon, but it's just like, I need you guys to also remember, you have all the cameras in the world around you. If something happens to you in the present moment, it's happening to you in the present moment, right? So don't equate cameras with safety, because what are the cameras gonna do? All they're gonna do is observe. If someone really wants to do some foul stuff to you, the cameras are not gonna prevent them from doing that, unfortunately. For some people, sure, but not for everybody. So don't give away all of your privacy in exchange for what you think is safety. It's a placebo. It's a false sense of safety, okay? If anything, it's keeping you stuck exactly where you are. So you wanna just, if you wanna stay in the place that you're in and never change and never evolve, to stay where you're at, okay, surround yourself with cameras. Because that observer effect is gonna be so strong, it's gonna keep you right where you're at because it's observing you. You wanna be free? Get away from the cameras. You don't want any cameras around you. Pull them out when it's necessary, like how I'm doing right now. But in general, you're not surrounding yourself with a whole bunch of cameras. Guys, we're not normalizing this.
Just let your head drop. You can always think about like lengthening the back of the neck. Your shoulders dropping, head dropping. Go ahead, walk your hands towards the right if you like.
Yoga was amazing. Look at my skin. Period. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Figured it out. Sorry.
Perfect. You gotta go. I'm not a dad. And if I'm a dad, I'm in my prime, boo.
Okay. I do not bring out the daddy. Nervous.
You got the big knife over there?
No. I got the skinny.
You wanna let it? Oh, you can.
There was an herb. Oh, hold on. Hop back over here. We need to get these spices going. Let me check on the Brussels. Time to flip.
I'm glad you got your little drive because now you can record all the time because you are always creating. So one of my students on the webinar, she was my magician student, 777 student. She's now been in almost every webinar too. She's like one of those students who's like so excited about it.
That Asian cooking show.